Hi guys, what's up? Myself, Sia Abhishek Bansal from Mumbai. I take law and audit for Inter and final ke liye audit. I hope you guys are doing amazing. You guys are studying. It's a very short, small video, an important video for all those people who are appearing for the upcoming May CA Intermediate Group 1 exam and specifically paper number 2, that is corporate and other laws. So firstly, do subscribe to the channel and share this video to your maximum friends so that maximum people take the benefit of this video. So here, what I am doing it, I am showing the analysis and asking you to focus on these important sections wherein there are full probable chance that this will be repeated. Okay. So now let's first talk about one by one, straight to the point. It's a paper prediction video for May 26 exam. I may be wrong, but I may be right also. In case if you have not done this concept, do this concept very much thoroughly. Okay, do twice, thrice, and it's not that you have to do only this much. This you have to do very much thoroughly. When I talk about guys preliminary chapter, in that net worth ka definition, okay, if you remember, small company ka definition, holding company definition, subsidiary company definition, financial year definition, listed company definition. Please focus on these areas in the first chapter. Now, when you talk about incorporation, section 8 wala answer, section 10A wala answer. 10A is basically commencement of business wala conditions. Okay. Then section 8, section 10A, pre-incorporation concept. That's it. When you talk about prospectus, shell prospectus wala answer, RHP answer, red herring prospectus, section 42 very important, private placement, and do remember civil and criminal liability wala, section 34, 35. This is third chapter. Fourth chapter में share capital में section 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, do this very thoroughly. Then alteration of capital clause, that is section number 61, 67, 68. Do this very much thoroughly. And 51, no 50. Calls in advance. 50, 50. Deposit में eligible company definition. Eligible company definition. Then employee giving deposits, director giving deposits, employee giving deposits, director giving deposits, share application money wala concept, then penalty for deposits, then minimum, maximum period of deposit. Do focus on this concept. Charges chapter, registration 79, 80, 86, 87, meeting 96, 100, 99 penalty, 102, 103, 105, 115, 118, 119, section 92, annual return. Then chapter number 8, section 123, and that rule 3, very important, 125, IPF concept important. Accounts of company 128, 130, reopening of accounts, NAFRA, CSR, it's not been asked long, since long, it may come in the exam, 136, 138. Auditors में disqualification वाला answer important, section 144 prohibited service important, 147 penalty, 145 signing of audit report important. Then chapter 11 foreign company में definition 242, 380 important, 381, 384, no, yeah, 387, 389, 392. LLP 7, 8, 10, 11, 15, 16, 19. 21, 22, 24, 25, 35, 31, 35, 36, 37. Then distinguish towards the end. Then compromise and arrangement wala answer. GCA definitions do from handwritten notes. 14 interpretation of statutes, again handwritten notes full. PEMA PRI very important. RBI का list for other than individuals. Other than the full list, and 5 items are there for other than individuals. And prohibited cat. Prohibited cat. This is it. If you have not written, please take a screenshot of this. If you have not written, please take a screenshot of this. If you have written, it's okay. Or else you can mark. People who have studied through me, you know we have written from our handwritten notes. Do these answers very much really. This is as per the past paper pattern which have not been asked or which was asked long time ago. It may come in the exam. I am not saying that you have to do only this much. Please do this very much early, plus other things also. Cool. Do not panic. Do not panic. When you get the paper, breathe. Think what you have done. Think what you have studied. Have trust on yourself. Think about your parents. They have done a lot for you now. It's time to give back. Quid pro quo, something in return. Do not lose the hope. Do not leave the hall before 5 p.m. Wait, fight till 5. Write anything. Concentrate on the MCQs. Use your logic. Use your power and clear in the exam. Okay. All the best. Aim for a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier. Bye, guys. Take care. Keep smiling.